Good morning, Miss Phage. Here's a little tour of your little New York second home. So, living room. There's a tiny kitchen-y bit. Fridge and stuff. Bathroom. All the usual stuff. It's quite nicely. Goes right up to the skylight. Here's the IKEA showroom. Here's the bedroom. A walk-in closet for all your frocks. There you get a general idea. And the staircase. There's the view out the window. And treeing all the ivy and all the neighbours' flats. That's a little courtyard that I've got use of. It stairs bit. Well, it's really big. I don't know what the hell to do with it. I'm thinking I could put a desk up here. Got a nice view down. There we go. That's the flat. See you later.